Ngayong araw mga Kabombot Caster Nation, Pebrero at 13, 2026, ipinagdiriwang ho natin ang World Radio Day 2026 na may temang Artificial Intelligence is a Tool, Not a Voice. Sa mabilis na pag-unlad ho ng digital age, nagiging makapangyarihang kasangkapan ang artificial intelligence sa pagsusulat ng scripts, pagsusuri ng mga malalaking datos at maging sa pag-asalin ho ng boses na katulad ho ng isang tao. Gayunpaman, paalala ng tema ngayong taon na bagamat nakatutulong ang teknolohiya, hindi nito mapapalitan ang tunay na tinig ng tao na gabay ng tapang, integridad, malasakit at pananagutan.
26 ay may natatanging kahalagahan para sa Bombo Radio Philippines dahil ipinagdiriwang nito ang ika-60 taon ng Media Excellence. Mula sa simpleng simulang pinamunuan ng kanilang chairman, si Dr. Rogelio M. Florete, lumago ang Bombo Radio mula sa iisang istasyon tungo sa isang malakas and dynamic na nationwide network na binubuo ng 32 fully digitalized stations. Sa pamumuno naman ng President and Chief Executive Officer, Margaret Ruth C. Florete, patuloy na yumayakap ang Bombo Radio sa digital transformation habang nananatiling tapat sa layunin ng credible and responsible journalism.
The celebration of World Radio Day today is especially meaningful as it coincides with the 60 years of media excellence of Bombo Radio Philippines, 6 decades of unmatched performance in public service and broadcasting that have earned the trust of the Filipino people. From humbly beginnings to the present, Bombo Radio Philippines has remained committed to our mission to serve, educate, and empower our communities. Today, with 32 fully digitalized radio stations operating nationwide, we continue to adapt to changing times while staying true and grounded to the values that define responsible and credible journalism, unique to Bombo Radio, guided by our culture of excellence. As we celebrate 60 years of service, we keep our commitment to ethical broadcasting, public accountability, and innovation with responsibility. Bombo Radio Philippines will continue to serve not just in the business of content, but in the business of influence, of trust, and a go-to media organization for those in search of trusted news and information. Happy World Radio Day to all! To all our listeners and viewers, mga Kabombo at Kastar Nation, maraming salamat po for making us a part of your day. Basta Radio, Bombo!
Sa loob ng 6 na dekada, nananatiling katuwang ng sambayanan ang Bombo Radio sa panahon ng mga kalamidad, gulo sa politika at national crisis. Isa sa pinakamahalagang papel nito ay noong EDSA People Power Revolution, kung saan nagsilbi itong lifeline of truth na nag-ugnay sa bansa sa pamamagitan ng malawak na provincial networks. Hanggang ngayon, kinikilala ang Bombo Radio bilang number 1 at most trusted source of news and information. Hindi dahil sa teknolohiya lamang, kundi dahil sa kredibilidad na naipundar sa mahabang panahon ng responsabing pamamahayag at public service. Sa pagdiriwang ng World Radio Day 2026, muling pinagtitibay ng Bombo Radio ang kanilang misyon: to inform, to educate, to empower, and to serve every Filipino.
Muli kami po sa Bombo Radio ay bumabati ng Happy World Radio Day! Basta Radio, Bombo!